What do you see? Bluebird, what do you say? I see a yellow duck, what do you say? I see a green frog, what do you say? I see a red fish, what do you say? I see a small boy, what do you say? I see bluebird, yellow duck, green frog, and red fish. That is what I see.